Alright guys, so nandito tayo sa copy trading ng Vantage Markets and let's take a look yung mga strategy providers dito. So there's a lot of strategy providers sa pwede nyong pagkopyahan. No? Sa trading, di naman kailangan ikaw ang gumawa lahat. So pwede nyo rin pagsabay-sabay niya. No? Iba't ibang strategy providers, kopyahan nyo. Okay? So tingnan natin yung mga nandito. No? So check mo natin yung rank list. Ayan. Okay, so sa rank list, and meron tayong mga ito, grow more traders, yan, mga top 3, no? So, check lang natin itong mga nasa pinakataas, no? Ito si G Horizons. G Horizon Funds, ayan, so meron siyang return na YTD, ibig sabihin sa buong taon na to, no? 300%. So, kung meron kang 100, magiging 300. Okay, so this is a monthly return. And isa sa pinaka tinitingnan natin when it comes to copy trading is that matagal na siyang strategy provider. Okay? So hindi lang siya yung one time big time uh, na na return, no? So meron kasing iba diyan na nagsisimula ng 100 tapos pag tumaas ng 1,000%, ayun, ano na, strategy provider na sila. So parang 1 or 2 months okay na. So we are not looking at those kinds of strategy providers, at least not yet. They need to prove na talagang yung win nila is talagang due to consistency. Yeah. So this one, when it comes to longevity and consistency, okay tayo dyan, no? 99, ang win rate dito is 99%. So, medyo ano tayo dito, no? Ah, medyo alangan tayo sa 100%. Oh. Um, we should be cautious din kapag mga ganyang 100%. Okay, so ito yung mga tinitrade niya, frequently traded, and yung mga win rate niya sa mga tinitrade niya na yun, assets. Active Copier 710, isa rin to sa ano natin, sa category natin. No? Kailangan marami rin kumukopya na sa kanya. Okay, so ibig sabihin may community siya or talagang nakikita ng ibang investors na okay yung strategy niya. Okay? So profit sharing, even though 20%, okay na rin yan sa 20%. So ibig sabihin kung kumita ka ng 100, may 20 siya. Parang ganun. Okay, so trades per week, hindi siya overtrade, no? 26.21. Yan. Since 2024, yan, makikita nyo dyan. Napakaganda. Okay? And isa pa sa tinitingnan din natin, yung wristband niya, 3 lang. Mababa, no? So, ibig sabihin talaga maingat siya. Maganda yung ano niya, maganda yung strategy niya. So, no wonder talaga nasa top siya, no? Okay. Orders, ayan, so makikita nyo, dito nyo makikita, no? Pagka sa desktop version, laptop version, dito nyo makikita yung mga ganito, yung mga orders, yung mga full details, no? Yan, copiers, dito nyo makikita yung mga copiers niya. Yan, so yan yung mga equity ng mga copiers niya. Okay. Watchers. Yan, itong watchers, di ko alam kung ano tong watchers to, baka nag-like lang sa kanya or what do. Okay, so max drawdown 0.93%. Yan. Sobrang ingat nitong tao na to, no? Sobrang ingat nito strategy provider. Ito, first time ko lang rin siya nakita dito sa ano na to. And ayun niya, no? Talagang maganda yung performance niya. Okay? So G Horizon Funds A, so if you plan to do copy trading yan, take a look at this lang. No? All you need to do once you have your fund ready, just click copy. Okay? And just make sure lang na in your dashboard nakapag-deposit na tayo. Yun, you can use yung mga uh, yung mga existing na payment methods, no? Mga e-wallets, mga cards, yan. So you can use that. Okay. So another thing, no, tingnan natin ulit yung iba, yung mga ano niya. Okay. So to number 2, si number 2. Ito naman, max monthly return 672. Grabe, no? And YTD 100%, max drawdown is not available. So ito medyo cautious din tayo dito, no, yung mga nakatagong drawdown kasi it's very important. Pero makikita nyo naman yan dito eh sa monthly niya. Yan. So if every month break even or merong mataas, no? Yan, diyan yung makikita. And yung win rate, yan, 96%. Okay. Profit sharing 30%. Medyo mataas, no? Although mas mataas talaga yung max monthly return niya. Okay, so if you are going to do copy trading and if you are interested with this, medyo okay naman siya, wristband 2. Hindi lang kita yung max drawdown pero dito naman makikita nyo na very cautious din siya, maingat din siya, and for sure naman hindi naman siya na-wipe out, no? Kasi kung ganyan naman, no, medyo mataas naman dito. So kung medyo okay na yung ano mo dito, yung fund mo nag-multiply na, then kahit na mag-loss ka at some months, no, malaki pa rin yung pondo mo dito. Okay? So, what you can do is that you can copy the number one na pinakita natin kanina, and then you can copy this one with lower. So, ibig sabihin, if you have 100%, no, you can copy the first one with 40%, and this one, you copy with 20% of the rest of your capital. So, that's how we can do diversification. And also, syempre, you put some weight dun sa mas magandang performance. And also dito kasi yung profit sharing niya medyo mataas, no? Since 2025, yan, January 29, 2025, so 1 year rin, okay na rin yan, no? And let's take a look at the number 3, this one. Okay, ito. Okay, so what can we expect from number 3? Okay, wristband 3, which is okay, win rate 68. Max monthly return 44, which is not bad, no? Monthly yan, 44%. Yung kanina 600%, no? But I'm sure na it's very aggressive. Return YTD 100%, and you can take a look at um, the trades. So the reason why na 66% lang siya is because he's taking a lot of trades, no? Very very active. I think this scalper siya. Yan, which is and 884 trades per week. Profitable weeks 0.95, active since July 2025, which is okay na rin. Copiers 1,983, yan, sinasabi nga natin, no? And active copiers 300. Okay, profit sharing 10%, which is very very nice, no? Very very good number for profit sharing. Yeah. Drawdown was hidden. Yeah. So if we are going to copy with 100%, no, I would say now we can put some 10% here dito sa number 3, right? So kay number 1 we can put 40%, number 2 we can put 20, and number 3 we can put 10%, and the rest of the fund you can use it for your manual trading, or you can keep it as an additional fund lang. Okay. All right. So let's see some more. Okay, so last one, no? Ito. Tingnan natin yung mga highest monthly. If you're willing to uh, take some risk, no? Grabe, ito yung sinasabi natin, no? 1 month lang and they did this. Okay? 6,600% with 220,918%. And if you have 100 and you keep on doing the same thing now over trade and over lot size, you will somehow hit the jackpot. But um, I would not copy with this. Ito yung example natin na hindi tayo magka-copy. Okay? So risk band is 6, which is very, very high. Assets, commodities in trade with copiers 5 lang, no? So, ano talaga siya? Hindi talaga siya ka-copy-copy, no? So, this is a perfect example na hindi natin kokopyahan. Alright? So, that's what I'm saying na mataas yung kanyang monthly return and yung yearly return. Kaya, nano natin, no? Dinidisregard na natin yung mga ganong strategy providers. Right, so that's it. If you are interested with more copy trading videos like this, no, so you can